Changing the name of your LLC is a process similar to filing for a DBA. You can tackle it independently, hire an attorney, or use web-based legal services. Whichever route you take, it's crucial to understand your state's requirements. Mistakes can lead to costly corrections down the line. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to successfully change your LLC name. Step 1, verify business name availability. The first step is to verify if your desired business name is available. Head over to your state's Secretary of State website to conduct a name search. Make sure the name hasn't been taken by another entity. Additionally, it's a good idea to check with the United States Patent and Trademark Office for any potential trademark conflicts. Once you confirm the name is available, you may consider reserving it to prevent others from claiming it. Step 2, approve a resolution for the LLC name change. If your LLC has multiple members, review your operating agreement to determine if a vote is needed to approve the name change. In many cases, a vote among the LLC owners is required to amend the name. After approval, draft a resolution summarizing this new amendment. This simple document typically includes the company name, the date of passage, the title of the approved action, details of the action, and signatures of those agreeing to the resolution. Step 3, file an amendment form for your articles of organization. Next, you'll need to file an amendment form for your articles of organization. This form can have different names depending on your state, such as a certificate of change or articles of amendment. For example, in New York, you would submit a certificate of amendment to the Department of State. Forms are often available online but must be printed, completed, and mailed back to the appropriate authorities. Be sure to check with your Secretary of State or business attorney to confirm your state's specific filing requirements. Step 4, notify tax and business licensing agencies about the name change. Once your name change is officially recognized, it's time to notify tax agencies and business licensing entities. Failing to do so can lead to tax complications. Your EIN and business licenses need to reflect the correct business name to avoid misattributions. For the IRS, you can check the name change box on your filing or send a letter with a copy of your amendment certificate. Each state may have its own procedures, so don't hesitate to call ahead and get precise instructions for updating your business information. Step 5, change your business name on other documents and assets. With your new LLC name approved, it's time to update all your business documents and assets. Here's a checklist of items to consider: brochures, stationery, and invoices, your registered agent, website domain name, logo, and content, business bank accounts, credit cards, and tax returns, business cards, social media profiles and online review sites, and contracts including lease and service agreements. Ensure that your new business identity is reflected in all of your branding and marketing materials, and you should be good to go. Here's the conclusion. By following these steps, you'll be able to change your LLC's name smoothly and ensure consistency across all business documents. Remember, understanding your state's requirements is crucial, so take your time to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Thanks for watching. For a more in-depth overview on the topic, head over to the article in the video description. And as always, if you found the video helpful, we would appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribed for similar content in the future. Also, don't forget to visit SimplifyLLC.com for more business-related guides.